wanted to show you some of these products I have in the background that I use about every day. And I hope to give you some ideas to start, because I know it can be frustrating and you want to make sure you have everything to do the diet and you're not hungry. So I wanted to give you some ideas of stuff I have on stock every single day that helps me in losing weight. The first thing is I'm going to show you these meat sticks. There's some other meat sticks that a lot of keto people use. I can't think of the name, but I will put them in the link below. But they're a little bit more on the expensive side. I found that I really like these, and they're Old Wisconsin snack sticks. They're beef, and I know they come in turkey as well, but I have not tried the turkey. But I got this bulk pack over at Sam's Club. It's much cheaper. I will link the Amazon link below, so because you can also buy it on Amazon. And I know they sell it at Kroger, but they sell it at Amazon and Kroger in much smaller packages. But whenever I'm just hungry, I grab one of these meat sticks, and then I also keep cheese on hand. And some people like to eliminate dairy, but I'm not to that really point where I feel like I want to do that. But you don't have to do the dairy. But I have, these are the hot pepper cheese sticks there, which I really like. But you can get any kind. They have little cubes. They have shredded cheese. I know if you buy them in the block, they're much better for you because they don't have the preservatives in them. They use like flour and stuff to do the shredded, which has a little bit more carbs. So if you're looking to do the best that you possibly can, you might want to get like a cube, and then you can manually cut that. Another thing I always have is my strawberries. Even though they're not, I kind of do like a dirty keto. They're probably not strictly keto, but berries are great for your metabolism. So any kind of berries you like, I would suggest that. You can even put them in smoothies if you like. But what I like to do is I take my berries and I take this. I got this Ready Whip. You don't have to get this zero sugar kind, but they do have this is really great for keto because it has 0 grams of carbs, 0 sugar. So I cut up some strawberries. I usually cut up about 5 or 6 and cut them up in little pieces. I put this Ready Whip on top of it. And then what I really like are pecans. There's one bag of, these are ones I got from Kroger in a big bag, but you can get those cheaper at Sam's. This is a bag I got at Sam's, but I go through those super quick. I just basically have like a little, my breakfast. I don't eat until about 12 to 1. I do like a window of eating. That's my intermittent fasting, where I just eat until like 6 or 7 o'clock, and then I just stop. And what your goal is you want to make your window down as low as possible. If you fast more, you're going to lose more weight. So the best thing for me is to fast in the morning, because you're already fasting when you're asleep. So that whole time you're asleep is counted as fasting, and you can continue it on in the morning. But you can fast anytime you want, whatever works great for your lifestyle. That's a suggestion that's a great snack to have. It really keeps me feeling kind of satisfied when I have that. Another option is I like these carb counter street tacos, these pitas. They have 0 grams. You can see on there 0 grams of net carbs. And my son, actually, he is a teenager and he is not on keto, and he actually loves these. He will steal them from me. So they're really good. We use these with our tacos a lot. So instead of just having regular taco shells, we use these. And to me, I can't really tell much of a difference. Another thing I want to suggest is, if you like dill pickles, grab you a jar of any kind of dill pickles you like. The pickle juice is good for digestion. And when I first started keto, I had a lot of problems with digestion. Like food would be stuck in my mouth and not going down. And this really helps with digestion. And I also will put down a link for one of Dr. Berg's items that really helped me with my digestion. I'm going to do a whole video on my supplements, but I have no gallbladder. I have PCOS, and I've had some issues where I've needed some supplements to help support some of my issues. And one of the other things I wanted to mention is I don't believe soy is very good for you. I try to avoid all products with soy in them. And a lot of the keto breads, they do have soy in them. I mean, it's up to you if you want to use that, but I believe soy messes with your metabolism. Another item that I try to avoid is um, aspartame. Is that how you say it? I'm not sure. Aspartame. And I've seen that has caused cancer. I'm not a doctor, so I can't tell you for sure, but that's something that I avoid because I believe it is not a good product to be taking. And you want to try to take as much food as you want. Should be natural, not processed. Because a lot of the items on the market, they advertise things as keto, but you're going to be better in the long run if you do natural products. And it's going to really help your body. One of the things I take is also collagen. You want to make sure you're not eliminating your fats and your oils and stuff and butter. You want to have a lot of that stuff because on some diets, I don't know if you've noticed, some people may look older as they're losing weight. You want to retain some of the oil and stuff. If you watch Dr. Berg's videos, he will tell you the importance of that. And I take collagen to help with that as well. Because I've noticed the more that I lose in my weight, my neck is very stretched out. I'm going to do a video of some of the lotion that I use and supplements to help with that. But I wish I would have known sooner when I first started. But you want to keep your fats in there. Don't eliminate those because they are good for you. You're just strictly trying to focus on eliminating carbs and sugar. You want to keep high protein and you want to keep some fats in there. And there's some better fats that you can have, like you can do like olive oil and stuff like that. You don't have to do vegetable oil or something with more fat in it. But let me show you some more of these products. With all of my stuff in the air fryer, I like to have a lot of seasoning on hand. This is one that I recommend, is ranch seasoning. And then I got both of these over at Sam's Club. And then I have this huge jar of lemon pepper for my chicken. I mean, you can get them at the store at Sam's. This one was just at a store. It's a smaller one, but I need to get a bigger one of this because I use it all the time. We do a lot of steaks, and that Montreal steak is very good for that. There's some olive oil cans that I just bought that you can spray on your foods very easily. That I got at Sam's. I got a lot of my stuff at Sam's just because it's cheaper in bulk, and keto food sometimes costs a lot of money. And I just got a big bag of garden salad. It's cheaper. There are other versions of salads that you can make, but I just keep some salad on hand at all times usually. I have some green beans. Sometimes I don't have a lot of time to make these. I like to make like a southern recipe that I make on the stove and have it with my steak and stuff sometimes, and is really great. But yeah, beans are good to have. You want some kind of vegetables and greens. This is another option that it's not so low in carbs, but it does have a high protein, and it's good to have. Like, you can take like a spoonful of peanut butter when you feel like you're really hungry and you need something really quick. This is great to have some peanut butter on hand. I do the powdered in my shakes, but this is good just for something really quick when you don't want to cheat on your diet and you just need something fast. You can still have ranch dressing on your diet. So this is great for your salads. That's what I use. This is a great sauce to use for keto. A lot of people on keto use this Rayo's because it is low in the carbs. They also have a great pizza sauce. I don't have any on hand to show you right now. But what I do with the pizza is I take the Rayo's pizza sauce and I put it on these pitas. I put some mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni on the top, and I just stick it in the oven, and there you have a great pizza recipe as well. That's really quick. Another thing that's very helpful is to have some bacon. This bacon is already pre-cooked. This is from Sam's Club, but you can do any kind of bacon. Sometimes I get regular bacon that needs cooked, and I just throw it in my air fryer. And what I do is I cut them in little pieces and throw it in with some kitchen scissors, and I throw it in my air fryer, and it cooks more even, so it's not all over the place in there. So that is about all I have to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found some suggestions on foods and stuff that would be good for you. If you have any suggestions or questions, just leave them below in the comments. And if anybody is doing keto and intermittent fasting as well and wants to share any recipes or share anything, I would love if you left any comments for other people to see, because I think this diet could really help a lot of people. And I'm hoping that you found something useful in it. Thanks for watching, and I will do another video again on my supplements. So please like and subscribe to the video if you're interested, and have a nice day.